Welcome. Today in front of me TCL NxtPaper 10s, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open just settings application, and after that we should scroll to the sound section. Then you'll see here notification, media and alarm volume panels. We can change them just by swipe to the left or to the right side, those dots. Also we have here silent mode switcher. We can turn on silent mode by click only once on the switcher, and by this way we can see that our notifications, they will muted. Also we can turn it off by the same way by click on the switcher. We can also change notification and alarm sounds by just select one from these available sounds here which you will like. We can also turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, and in more sound settings we have here the screen lock, unlock sounds and touch sound switchers. We can turn on or turn off these options by click on each of the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.